Want to know why your kids don't listen until you yell and lose your shit? Chores, homework, behavior, whatever. It's all the same, and you're going to be shocked because it has nothing to do with setting boundaries, rules, or respect. No, it has to do with science. Now, I'm not pointing fingers or blaming you, but when you get frustrated or angry that your kid is not doing whatever you believe they should be, it's flooding your brain with adrenaline and shooting you instantly into fight or flight mode. And guess what? All that asking, reminding, nagging, and eventually yelling at your kid is doing the same exact thing to them. The only reason they finally do, or continually fight you on, whatever it is that you're screaming at them for, is to address the perceived imminent danger in order to reduce their adrenaline dump. And that is not healthy for either of you, mentally, physically, or for your relationship. So if you want to stop this cycle, you have to learn to ask or influence in transition. Literally, to recognize dead time between a stimulus and the resulting response, and then directly act. Before you get emotionally attached to the outcome of something you want being done right now, and before your kids get emotionally attached to whatever the next activity they're moving towards. Kids have their own life and agenda outside of you and whatever it is that you believe they should be doing, just like you do when they ask you for a million different things. The shift that you're looking for comes with both of you taking absolute personal responsibility. You as a loving parent, them as a growing and developing individual.